Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. The Linux clear command will clear the screen, and if extended E3 capability is defined, it will also clear the scrollback buffer. So in this example, by default, it's going to clear the scrollback buffer. So not only in this example do we have a whole bunch of stuff on the screen here, but if you scroll up, you have a ton of stuff on the screen, a ton of output displayed on the screen, like the last command we ran and stuff like that. So yeah, if you just run clear, it clears the screen, but notice I can't scroll back anymore either. So yeah, it's cleared a lot more than that might be what you want, but let's say if you have a lot of scroll back data, like there's a lot of, oops, let's say if there's a lot of stuff and you want to preserve that scroll back data, you can say clear dash X. And that's going to clear your screen, nice clean cleared screen, but you can still scroll back if you want. You can scroll back and see all the stuff that was printed out previously. And other than that, that's basically all the useful stuff. Anything that I thought was worth mentioning in regards to the clear command. This is a real quick video, almost not worth doing, but I wanted to, I'm kind of being a completionist. I'm trying to make a video for every single Linux command I can possibly come up with. So that is basically it for the clear command for today. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.